Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, all signs. So, let's see kung ano bang meron pagdating sa love. Okay? Oh, syempre. By June. Okay? So, yeah. Before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayong maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay? Okay. And yes, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganon din po pagdating kay Perception of Light. Okay, so sa mga naghahanap naman ng healer, yan, kay Kuya Dingsi, 'di ba? Lumipad. Lumilipad talaga si Kuya Dingsi, de joke lang. Okay. Yan, kay Kuya Dingsi kayo magme-message po ha sa mga naghahanap ng healer dyan kasi si Kuya Dingsi ay isang healer. Okay? Okay. So, yeah, don't forget to follow rin. Okay? So, yeah, pagdating naman sa ating mga evil eye items, evil eye items. Message lang kayo sa akin pong FB page for more info. And yeah, sasagutin naman kay excuse me. Sasagutin naman kayo ni admin. Oo, si admin. Okay. So, yeah, all-in-one evil eye bracelet available in red and black strings and evil eye ring. Oh, adjustable, non-tarnish and hypoallergenic and oo, yung ating isang design ng evil eye bracelet. So, ganyan siya. Ito po ay garterized. Okay. And, yeah, unisex. Pareho po sila. Okay. Pareho ito and ito na unisex. Pwede sa babae, pwede sa lalaki. Ba't ka na yung boses ko? Naiinis ako. Okay. So, okay. Ito naman tayo sa ating evil eye necklace. Non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and meron siyang extender. Yan, okay? May extender siya, ha? So, I don't know kung, yeah, I think, excuse me. I think 18 to 20 inches yung chain, parang ganyan. Okay. So, yeah, kung inyo namang ibibigay pang re-regalo, sabihin po yung pangalan ng pagbibigyan. Okay? And, about sa granter, message lang kayo dahil si granter po ay made to order. Okay? So, habol-habol sa mga gustong kumuha ng granter. Kasi by Saturday na ang shipment. Okay po? So, gagawin pa, syempre. So, habol-habol lang. Okay? So, kung may tanong pa, message lang po sa FB page na Fias Tarot. Okay, thank you. Okay, so let's start air signs. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Energy pagdating sa love by June. Ano bang meron? Anong paparating? Anong paparating? Anong paparating? Okay. Pagdating sa love. Okay, so kunin ko yung dalawa. The High Priestess. The Six of Wands inversed. May mga magtatago ng sikreto by June. And I think this is like manipulation. Cancer. Okay. Cancer yan. Fire sign. Aries, Leo, and Sag. Okay. Meron din dito magpaparamdam na ex by June. Okay. Pero, pang makasariling dahilan lang kaya nila gagawin yung pagpaparamdam na iyon. Okay. So, there. What else for air signs? King of Wands in reversed. What's with that? Be careful with this fire sign by June, okay? I'm seeing this fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius na pwedeng umentry, oo, by June. Pero there's a lot of manipulation, no, na manggagaling sa taong to. Okay? Hindi ko alam ano to. Yeah, the Four of Swords. Huwag nyo masyadong bigyang pansin. Pwedeng meron kayong i-reject na fire sign by June. Yeah. Yeah, the Sun in reverse, maraming hindi kayo nalalaman sa taong yon, like negative. Okay? So, speaking of wands kasi, yan yung person na talagang mabulaklak magsalita. No? Oo. So, lahat na ng parang ah sabihin nating hindi ka panipaniwalay sasabihin na. Yes. So, wag kayo, yeah. Too good to be true. Mga ganyang energy. What else for fire, no, air sign? Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Pagdating sa love by June. Ten of Wands. What's with that? The Page of Wands. Maraming hiwalayan. Oo, maraming hiwalayan, maraming drama, maraming, yeah, something like mabibigat na sitwasyon by June. Yeah, expect nyo na yon. Yes. Tingnan ninyo, puro fire. Be careful with the fire sign. Be careful. Yeah, the Seven of Swords. Oh my God. The Liar. The, ano ba? Lies, deception. Yan mga pwedeng mangyari or pwedeng gawin ng taong to, kung sino man tong fire sign na to. Okay? Be careful. Yeah, see how toxic the devil. Okay? Be careful. Meron ako dito nakikitang may mahuhuli na third party. Yes, may mahuhuli na third party rito by June. Or may mga malalaman kayo. Yes. Okay. Next. Fire signs. Aries, Leo, and Sag. Anong meron? Okay. Love by June. Okay. Hang on. Ano bang meron? Energy coming in. The Ten of Wands. What's with that? The Three of Wands. Merong mga susuko. May mga susukuan kayo by June. Okay. Yeah. May mga tawag dyan. May mga tatama rin na pagdating sa mga pinupursue ninyong mga person. Mga ganyan. Okay. Meron ditong parang sitwasyong hindi magaan, like super bigat. Andito yung parang may susuko eh. Okay. Like feeling hopeless. So that is why, okay, ayoko na. Susuko na ako. By June. Pwedeng kayo to. Merong ganyan na mangyayari. Okay. Sitwasyon na sobrang hirap, sobrang bigat, na kailangan na pong i-end. Kailangan ng talikuran. Yeah. Okay. What else for fire signs? Excuse me. So, Nine of Cups. What's with this Nine of Cups? Hi. Oh, the King of Swords. Some of you, pwedeng dalawang energy rito, no? So, may chance na tumutukoy ito sa healing. Okay, tumutukoy siya sa healing, cutting people off, cutting situations, mga ganyan. Okay, pero some of you, there is a genuine person, like genuine by June. And I think ito yung taong parang wini-wish mo, pwedeng dumating by June. Okay, and pwedeng makita mo itong taong to through online. Yes, through online. Mahilig tong makipag-usap, makipag-chat, like that. Okay? Yeah, I'm seeing somebody is proposing by June. Yes. Okay. So next. Fire signs. The Nine of Wands in reversed. What's that? Merong magbababa ng guard. Yeah. What's this? The Ten of Swords. I'm seeing here a repeat. Okay, a repeat. Yeah. Mula doon sa taong umalis or iniwan ka, may pagbabalik na mangyayari. Okay? Pero sabi ko nga, this is a repeat. Yeah. Okay? A repeat. Na kung anong nangyari before, yun din ang mangyayari ulit by June. Okay? So, pwedeng fire sign with air sign. Air sign is Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. So, we have here Pisces rin. And, yeah. Cancer yan. Okay? So, hindi mo na kailangan na masyadong i-welcome tong mga ganitong energy because some of you, you're healing. Okay? So, wag mo nang sayangin yung ginawa mong healing na nangyari. Okay? Pagpatuloy nyo ang healing process, mga fire signs. Okay. So, yeah. Meron pa. May humabol. Fire signs. It's like a cycle na pwedeng mag-end by June. A cycle. Okay? So, next. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So, anong meron pagdating sa energy ng love by June para sa inyo? Mga water signs. Anong meron? Okay. Death. So, that is talking about changes, endings. Nandyan rin. Okay. The sun. I think may mangyayaring pagbabago or pagtatapos in for the better. Okay, for the better. Yeah. Kahit unsure kayo. Kahit unsure. Kailangan nyo itong i-grab. Okay? This is like a start. Para magkaroon kayo ng like, sabihin nating clean slate. Yeah. Fresh new start. Na pwedeng mangyari kapag to nag-end. Yes. Okay. Some of you may chance na makakuha ng good news from a past person. Yeah. By June. Yeah. Next. What else for water signs? The Fool in reversed. Oh, this is all about puro major arcana to. Something big will happen by June. So, what's the Fool in reversed? The 7 of Coins. Parang andito yung sinasabing you're not gonna waste any, sabihin nating time, no? Sa mga walang kapararakang bagay-bagay. Oo. Yeah, the Knight of Wands universe. I'm seeing here a short-term connection na pwedeng mag-start by June. Okay? Pero yeah, hindi nyo to para pag-aksayahan ng oras. Yes, I think yeah. Tatapusin nyo agad to kaya nga short-term. Short-term. Yeah, see, the 3 of Wands. Hindi to lalago, hindi to, yeah. Okay? Hindi to darating sa fruition, sa sinasabi. Okay? With an Aries or Earth sign. Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Okay, what else? For water signs. Water signs. Okay, the 8 of Wands. So, maraming energy ang 8 of Wands. May chance na messages ito or something like an action. Okay, so what's this? The 8 of Wands. The King of Wands. Oh, I'm seeing you, okay, some of you getting more attention. A lot, maybe? Attention. Yeah. So, may chance rin na pwedeng meron ditong makakakuha ng, ang tawag dyan, may mga manliligaw or may mga liligawan kayo. May mga gugustuhin. May mga action dito. Oo. May action na mangyayari by June. And I think, regarding ito sa pakikipag-connect. Okay? Yeah. And, eto pa ha. Nakakakuha ko ng connection dito na pwedeng mag-start sa sex lang muna. And then eventually, magkakaroon ng pag-open up. Parang ganon. Parang mag-start muna kayo as chok-chak chenes. Parang ganon. By June. Okay? So, fire sign. Yeah, Aries, Leo, and Sag. Yeah, the judgment. I think tong taong to, hindi mo pa nakikilala to, ha? Hindi pa. Never mo pang nakakonect to. Okay? Be careful. Be careful connecting with this fire sign or Scorpio. Okay? So, maybe, kay Scorpio ito didikit. May chance yung iba sa kanila is already married. Be careful. Okay? Next. Earth signs. Okay. So, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So, ano bang meron pagdating sa love by June? Ano bang meron? Let's see. Excuse me. Okay. Lagi ito. Si Ten of Wands. Simula ata ito sa first na sign. Like, yeah. Air sign. Nakuha yan. Si fire sign, nakuha rin yan. Si water sign lang hindi. And then ikaw, nakuha mo ulit. Ten of Wands in reverse. This is talking about sabihin nating pagdadrop. Dropping. Okay, what's with that Ten of Wands in reverse? The Hermit. Oh, meron ditong mag-ghost or i-ghost by June. Communication. May madadrop. Okay, mayroon ditong bigla na lang magiging cold and detached maybe or bigla na lang mawawalang parang bubble. Talagang in English. Oh, parang bula. May mang-ghost or merong mag-ghost by June. Yeah. Okay. With a Virgo. Fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I think kung mangyari man yun, isipin nyo lang na that's a blessing in disguise. Okay, so yeah, excuse me. Maubo ako. Oo. Oo. What else? Earth signs, the Two of Swords. May mag-a-avoid. Or maybe, meron kang i-avoid na air sign. Gemini, Libra, or and Aqua. What's this? The Empress in reverse. Yeah. Some of you, meron kayong ika-cut off, meron kayong parang titigilan na, something na hindi na nagkakaroon ng progress or improvement. Okay? What's with the Empress in reverse? Yeah, see? Strength. Kailangan nyo tong ialis dahil nabablock yung mga gandang energy. Okay? Kailangan nyo tong alisin or layuan or i-avoid something na nagbibigay sa inyo ng low vibe. Okay? We're talking about connection here or relationship. Okay? So, kung sa tingin ninyo may something na ganun, by June, may chance na pwedeng meron kayong aalisan or i-avoid na. Yeah. Magandang timing ang June para gawin mo yon. Okay? So, kung kaya mo na ngayon na, gawin mo na. Masyado nang mayroong mga nabablock na mga ganda na opportunity. Okay? Meron ditong tatanggihan by June. Merong tatanggi. Hindi ko alam kung ano yun. That's channeled. So, what else? For Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorns. Okay, two of coins in reverse. Ano ba itong drop nyo? Two of coins in reverse. What's this? Yeah, meron kayong lalayo, ano? A water sign. Or merong lalayo na water sign para, I don't know, para magkaroon ng, ang tawag dyan? Para mag-work maybe, or para sa stability ng someone. Yeah, so kailangan lang munang magkaroon ng breakup or disconnection. Yeah. Parang sa ikabubuti. Parang ganyan. May lalayo. Yeah. Parang ano sabihin natin, kailangan lang tong mangyari. Yes, kailangan lang tong mangyari. And I think this is like a decision na talagang matured. Matured, yeah. Okay, hindi ito parang wala lang. Hindi ito parang aalis lang ako dahil wala na, hindi na kita gusto, hindi na kita mahal. Or something like kaimaturan. No. This is something na mayroong pagdedesisyon, nakaakibat, no, nakasama, para sa ikabubuti. Okay, nandyan yung love, oh. Yeah. See again, the 10 of coins. Some of you, pag may nangyaring ganyan, tawag dyan, makakapag-focus ka na ulit sa kaperahan mo if ever, na medyo napapabayaan na nung iba, yung kaperahan nila. Because of this connection. Okay, so grab the opportunity. So, walang iisipin dapat na sayang. Kasi, basta, may nakikita ka dapat lagi na positive side of every situation. No, hindi palaging, ay, bakit ganon? Bakit ganyan? No. Okay? Every time na may maaalis, every time na mayroong kailangang lumayo, just look at the positive side. Kung bakit nangyayari yon. Or kung anong meron pa na pwede mong gawin. Okay? Ganun lagi. So, yeah. Anyway, kung sino man itong lalayo na to, ganun rin naman yung nasa isip niya. No? And I think, hindi mo mawala yung love. Kailangan lang talagang gawin to. Kailangan lang talaga. Something regarding work. Work-related. Kaya siya lalayo, kaya siya aalis. Hindi sa dahilang hindi ka mahal. Hindi sa dahilang ayaw na sa'yo. Okay? For their stability maybe. Yeah. Okay? So, there. And sa'yo rin, syempre. So, yun po, no? Ang ating reading for all signs pagdating sa love by June. Okay? So, again, yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And, yeah, follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.